So we are going to start our class. The last class, what we studied about
nutrition in animals.
Animals. Which animal we discussed?
Cow.
Okay, fine. Okay, Fatima, you were in the first class.
Yes, ma'am, I was present.
Okay, fine. So can you tell me what you mean by the word rumen?
A large sac-like structure between esophagus and small intestine.
Okay, very good. Abel, what do you mean by the word cud? Cud, what you call for?
The food partially digested in rumen.
Yeah. Food partially digested is called cud. Okay, Naim, can you tell me what you mean by rumination? Rumination. We have learned 5 terms. Rumens over, cud is over. Rumination means what?
What do you mean by rumination?
That's my question. What do you mean by the term rumination? That's my question. Rahan, can you tell me what you mean by rumination?
I did not notice and write.
I did not notice all of these other things. Irene, tell me what do you mean by rumination?
Ma'am, the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it and they
This process is called rumination. So,
Okay, I got rumination.
Returning the cud. Returning cud back to the mouth for chewing. So what is rumination? The returning of cud
Of the cud
for chewing.
for chewing.
The returning of cud back to the mouth. The returning of cud back to the mouth for chewing.
For chewing.
That's
Ma'am, if they
rumination.
chew, their hunger will be decreasing.
If you chew it, your hunger will decrease. Naim, if you eat some food, your hunger will go.
No, ma'am.
Yes. The same thing for animal. After chewing the food, their hunger will go. For animals and we human beings, everyone has that word hunger. Okay. Yes. What do you mean by ruminants? Alisha, ruminant means what?
These animals are called
Ruminants. Okay. All the animals we can call ruminants. Okay. So, what do you mean by cellulose, Priyadatta? What do you mean by the cellulose?
A carbohydrate present in grass.
The carbohydrates present in the grass is known as cellulose. Okay, fine. Then, Ausepajan, why can't we human cannot digest cellulose or digest grass? Why?
Ma'am, can I
Bacteria.
Because we don't have we lack bacteria. We have lack bacteria. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Lack bacteria means we do not have or
We have a bacteria. They require one bacteria. What you call?
Ma'am, do we have food bacteria?
Of course, we have some food bacteria in this.
It is lack.
It lack. The human being lack that particular bacteria to have the
Digestion.
For the digestion.
Ma'am, I am asking that bacteria in our body, it is the lack.
Lack means no bacteria. That's the meaning of the lack. Okay. So
Okay.
my question is, this cows should have a bacteria. They are known as ruminococcus. So that is not in our textbook. It is from the internet. So the bacteria which these rumens have, they are known as ruminococcus. Okay. Rumino. I am just giving you half. It's a big name. Ruminococcus flaviofaciens. That's the full name.
Ruminococcus and
Flaviofaciens. That is the big name. Okay. So it is the name of that bacteria. Okay. So in human beings, this bacteria is lack. Okay, that's why the word we call it. Bacteria. No, this bacteria is not there. We have bacteria in our mouth. There is bacteria.
We will get that bacteria. bacteria.
No. The bacteria can only live when they are living. Okay. But still, we have some kind of worms and all, no? Beef and pork and
Yes.
will have some kind of thing. Anyway, you don't eat it. Okay, so beef and all may have it, but that's why we are cooking. Yeah? Why are we cooking and eating?
And because
Because
all
to
the dirty
get
things
taste.
will go.
Not only taste to kill the germs and bacteria in
Yes,
the
ma'am, we will
cows.
wash it and all.
You wash it and then afterwards you will cook it. When you cook it, what happened? We put
Ma'am, because-
tamarind powder, we put salt, though it will kill the bacteria and it will be cooked and you can eat. So
Yes, ma'am.
without
Killing
cleaning,
snail and all.
so that Ruminococcus flaviofaciens, that is the particular bacteria. The word rumino, from this you understood now. This bacteria only will be seen in the ruminants. Got it? Yeah.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we have got this, cows has got a word rumen. Now, like rabbit, they have another word. For rabbits, instead of rumen, they also chew. You have seen rabbits, how much time they are, but they don't do. They don't take the cud or something like that. They're going on eating it. That's it. They get a grass, keep it in the mouth, and rabbit will going on eating. So that they also have a particular rumen, but its name is caecu. So this is the room. Instead of rumen, rabbits, deer, all this will have a particular sac-like structure in their body that is known as caecu. Caecu. So rumen is for cows, buffaloes, oxen, but for deer and rabbits, they have another type of a stomach, like a sac-like structure inside the stomach. So that is known as caecu. Okay, so whatever they will eat it, rabbits also you must have seen, they are going on chewing every time. Have you observed?
Yes, ma'am. My
Ah.
home's near.
Ah,
Is there.
you observe that rabbit, how they are. Even horses also continue chewing for hours. They also do this cud process. But the problem is, we don't call
Cannot
it.
store. They
Ah,
cannot store.
They cannot store. They will be going on. But horse, they also going on continually chewing for a long time, but not like cows. So they don't have
Any
rumen.
animals like this? Any other
Ma'am,
animal?
parrots and all do? Parrots.
No, birds, no. This is only animals, no? Birds don't have that kind of things. Okay. That is why the word digestion in grass-eating animals. So in rabbits, horses and deer, we call that rumen. They also have a sac-like structure. We call it as caecu. Caecu.
Ma'am,
Caecu.
I have a doubt,
Caecu.
ma'am.
That also between intestine and the esophagus. They
Ma'am,
also between intestine
Caecu
and
is
esophagus.
like caecu.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
What? Tell me.
Ma'am, when in our house and dog and all will be there, no, they will eat. After eating food, they will go and eat grass and all.
Why I already told you why they are eating the grass. Anyone can tell me? Why
Ma'am,
does
because they have
Stomach pain.
stomach pain.
they have stomach pain. It is not necessary they should have stomach pain also. They will, what they do? They will
Go
use
and eat
grass
grass.
for
Medicine.
digestion and to expel the undigested waste. That's why they are having it. Got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the reason. So that's why they are going and eating the grass, because they don't have a doctor or something, hospital, like something they happen.
Yes, ma'am.
But by nature, they know it. They knew it that this particular grass. Actually, that grass in Malayalam language we call karga. Karga pulla, we call it. Karga pulla. Karga pulla is that is very medicinal for we human being also. If you have a indigestion problem, you can take the karga pulla, that grass, boil it in the water, okay, and then you can drink that water. It is very good medicinal. So usually what I already told in the morning, Ayurvedic companies, they take all this grass, dry it, they make it powder, and they mix in the medicine for indigestion and this and all. So it is, we are also having, but not in the form of grass, but we are having in the form of powder or something. Now, and also sometimes they will give you some kind of things, we will boil it in the water to drink. Do you know? Like daha shamani, like so like that some medicinal things are there. Okay, it has made out of the grass. So in order to get to the medicinal value of the grass, we human being, what we do? We dry it and we boil it in the water and you drink that water.
Eat. Oh,
Not
sorry,
eat.
drink.
You drink that water. So
Ma'am,
I
I see that my pet is always going and eating that.
so that means you are giving some unwanted things to pet. You take care of your pet.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am,
not that,
everyone give.
after 10
everyone
days
will
and
give.
all he will go.
Waste
After
only,
10 days
eating
means
waste
they
only.
are it is something they are doing by nature to clean their stomach, to clean their immune system, to make it their immune system. They go.
Oh,
all
now
this
we
thing.
will think
ma'am,
if we
dog
eat
and all
grass,
they-
our
Yeah, dogs,
stomach will be
birds, even
clean.
birds also knows how to do all those things. Okay. Okay, dear. So now we are coming to the last part of it. So you must have seen the same picture. It is a okay, Rahan, can you read it now? This one. Rumen?
Yes,
This is,
ma'am.
ma'am, this cow
It
is
is
very
a,
difficult.
It
It
is
is a
a
sac-like structure present between the food pipe and the small intestine in grasses eating animals.
Ma'am, Aaron is
Grass-eating
calling.
animals.
Aaron. Yes, tell me, Aaron.
Ma'am, here the picture it's saying that there is the cows have Kikuman and Roman.
That is there, but it is their predominant is rumen. That small part is cacu, but it is rabbits.
Ma'am,
Rabbits are-
large intestine is there in cows inside.
yeah, that is there near where the anus. See, this picture is little more clear. You can see that. Can you see some intestines
yes, yes.
moving to the back because they eject out the things through the back part. Correct. So that's it. Is there everything is there as usual, but they also have a particular words like us. We have so many other things, no? So this is for higher classes. According to us, you only have to study rumen, ruminant, and all. So large intestine they have. What is the peculiar feature? Inside the stomach, for keeping the cud, they have a rumen. That is something different from the human being. Okay. Then we human being also, we have got liver, so many things. They also have liver and all. Okay. You know the liver of the thing. We will eat the liver of the beef, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Even liver of the chicken we can eat.
Ma'am, I did not eat that.
Ma'am,
Uh,
cows, does cow have a stomach?
then what? Where does the food go?
So this entire thing is Roman.
No, entire thing is rumen. What did I tell you? Inside the stomach, between the food pipe, esophagus and small intestine, they have rumen to store the grass in the form of cud. That is what we talk.
Name
Okay.
on the video.
Continue, Rahan.
Ma'am,
At first-
it is a sac-like structure present between the food pipe and the small intestine in the grass-eating animals like cows and buffaloes.
Then,
At first, the animals do not chew their food, basically grasses, and instead
Instead?
swallowing it.
Mm.
This partly digested food is stored in the
rectal, rumen.
rumen.
You can't hear. I will give you the spectacles. Okay. So again,
Okay.
what are the things you have learned? I am giving again. So partly digested food present in the rumen is called cud. We are already over. And what is rumination? The cud returns to the mouth. Yeah.
In these animals and then they chew it. This is not
Small.
Okay. So everyone is clear to you know. Ruminous. This is the same thing. What you told, I am just giving you separately. Okay. Fine. This and all already over. There is something more is there in that. Let me go back. Okay, now we are moving on to the next thing. Digestion in amoeba. The last part of our chapter. Digestion
Amoeba.
in amoeba. So these are the some creatures, some kind of peculiar feature it has got. That's why we are learning. So next one is amoeba. Amoeba is a singular cell microorganism. Singular cell.
Tiny
Micro-
organism.
Tiny organism means it has got only one cell. It has got only one cell. So amoeba is a singular cell microorganism.
And we cannot see.
You cannot see it.
Microscope.
We have multicellular system. We are multi. Animals and birds are multicellular. That
And
is
we
more
have-
than.
And we have more than lakh cell.
So we are multicellular organism. Like we are means animals also. Animals, birds, all are multicellular organism means they have more than one organ. That is the meaning of it. Okay. More than one
Okay,
cell.
ma'am.
Amoeba has a single cell. So I will just show you one video of amoeba, how they see, and then we will learn detail about the different parts
Stop
of
recording,
amoeba.
Ma'am, recording.
I didn't. It's okay. Okay. Stop
Stop
it.
it,
1 minute.
otherwise-
Show you. Now from this, what you understand? These are the different parts of a amoeba. Now I will show you the picture. Okay, dear. So
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
amoeba. Amoeba is a single cell body. In beginning of the class, we have already learned different parts of a cell. That is all the cells what we have, the amoeba also has. They have got a cell membrane. You can see cell membrane is the outer line of this. Then cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. Do you remember? You have completed
Yes.
the yeah. So this blue color is the jelly-like substance. We call it cytoplasm. Then something different from others means, from us means, and the ruminants. These people don't have a real leg. They don't have a leg like we human being and animals and birds. So for that, what is the part we call pseudopodia?
Pseudocodia.
Podial. Okay, I'll write it. Not Kodia. Okay, so all of you now write it down, the parts of amoeba. Then I will show you that picture. So
I will take
parts of
screenshot, ma'am.
amoeba.
Now
Write
I
down.
need to wake up from here.
No, you wake up and you score 14, 15 and all. Okay, Naeem. Next time,
No,
if
we
you
know
do
it.
not give me 20 out of 20, I will remove from my class. Okay. Parts of amoeba is pseudopodium. Pseudopodium is one, and its plural, what you call pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means more than one. Pseudopodium is singular. Okay, this is singular. And this is plural of it. Okay. So just
Plural.
like plural noun, pseudopodium. Just like fungi, fungus. Fungi, fungus. Villi, villus. Just like that. Now,
And pseudocodium or podium.
pseudopodium is one feet of the amoeba. Pseudopodia means many feet of amoeba. Okay. Actually,
Okay.
pseudopodium
Normally,
is act like
pseudopodia is single and pseudopodium is
many.
Yes, like that.
Yeah, like that. So we can just say in our local language, pseudopodium is one leg, pseudopodia is many legs. Okay. So that is why we call it as false
Ma'am,
feet.
legs means what? Our leg or another
My
leg?
God, amoeba, what are you teaching now? Naeem.
Parts of
Amoeba. It's yours or what then? Okay.
okay.
Parts of amoeba. So parts of amoeba, first part we talk about is Rehan, stop drawing anything on the board. Okay. And typing a name of some student. I saw Paul Hansel's name on the board before. So please stop it. Okay. So pseudopodium is one single leg, we can talk it. It's not actually leg, but we are calling it as it is amoeba's leg.
Leg.
That's why we are talking on false feet. False feet means what? It's not originally, it is not feet, but it
I
act
heard
like
false.
a feet. Did you understand?
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
part, Rehan, who is that
Yes.
clicking on that?
No, ma'am, I am not clicking.
Then someone is ticking with the green color, tick on it. Who is that person?
No, ma'am, I did not do that.
Some question mark over there? Who is that? Apart from this, someone is doing. That's why.
And
Not
now
Next
it is
part.
good.
Ma'am, my hand too are here.
Next thing, cytoplasm. Listen first, children. You all are playing now. Last class.
No, ma'am.
Cell
Last class
membrane.
you were,
Cell membrane. Then you have food vacuole. Food vacuole. Okay. Then amoeba, just like us, it also has a nucleus. It also has a nucleus. So these are the important parts of amoeba: pseudopodium, cytoplasm, cell membrane, food vacuole, and the nucleus. And you have already watched in the video who does ingestion. Ingestion process is done by pseudopodia or pseudopodium. Cytoplasm does what? Assimilation and absorption. Assimilation and
Absorption.
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 Like human being, amoeba also does all the work. And digestion is done by food vacuole.
Food.
Ma'am, which
vacuole.
animal
Food
don't do
vacuole,
that?
every animal does, but their parts may be different. Digestion with the help of cytoplasm. Food vacuole alone will not do. It needs the help of cytoplasm. Why? Cytoplasm,
Absorption
Not-
and assimilation.
no, cytoplasm secrete digestive juices. So that
that
digestive
is-
juices will be
What
get
is
inside the
amoeba?
food vacuole. And nucleus is the center of amoeba. Amoeba, just like a heart of a human being, nucleus works just like a heart. Okay, so that is the thing. So food vacuole, ingestion, assimilation, and absorption. And food vacuole, digestion with the help of cytoplasm. Nucleus is the center of amoeba. Now let us go back to the picture again. Oh, where's the video is gone? It's coming. Yeah. So you can see that this bulging out parts, these are known as pseudopodia because more than one. Cytoplasm is that blue texture on this, and which is in greenish yellow, that is known as food vacuole. So what does they do? Pseudopodia, if you see, what type of food they eat? They eat other microorganism which is present in the water, which is smaller than amoeba. Maybe
Amoeba.
smaller than amoeba, there may be some bacteria, there may be some germs, and there may be some kind of alga. This will be eaten by the cytoplasm. So, eaten by the amoeba. Amoeba, with the help of pseudopodium, they will move. They will move with the help of pseudopodium. And then when they see one microorganism in the water, all pseudopodia will cover that one and it will be trapped in the food vacuole. So this, what are the things they are going to eat? It gets trapped in the food vacuole. Okay. Then in the food vacuole, with the help of digestive juices and enzymes, which is secreted by cytoplasm, this food which is trapped in the food vacuole break into different similar substances like fat, glycogen, sugar, etc. Okay, and then after digestion over, all these nutrients will be absorbed and assimilated by the cytoplasm, because cytoplasm is spreading all the nutrients to different parts of the amoeba. So they assimilate. After that, egestion takes place. Egestion usually done by the back part of amoeba. There is a small opening. So amoeba's back part, there is a small opening, and through that small opening, they will eject out all the undigested waste. So this is the feeding and part of amoeba.
The cell membrane and then thrown outside
Two
the
more
cell
minutes.
body by rupturing. That is cutting the membrane.
Ma'am, they are recording.
This is called egestion.
I'm
It's
recording.
okay. It's okay.
Is it
Little is
less of it
recording,
become
no?
a good more such interesting videos. You can now download
Now you
Learn
don't have to
Android
this.
app for better learning
Okay.